Welcome to the Bicol Natural Park. The Bicol Natural Park is a protected area of the Philippines located in the Bicol region of southern Luzon. It straddles the mountainous border between the province of Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur. In the northern interior of the Bicol Peninsula, the park is crossed by the 5 rivers and 11 creeks which empty into the Bicol River. It contains natural swimming pool, picnic areas, park and camping areas, natural trails, backcountry shelter, and botanical and zoological garden. The importance into the ecosystem. The uses and importance of the Bicol Natural Park into the ecosystem. The Bicol Natural Park serves as a multi-phase resource with uses ranging from biodiversity, conservation, and research to ecotourism, water resource management, and cultural significance, highlighting its importance for both ecological preservation and human well-being. The Bicol Natural Park holds significant importance in the ecosystem due to its critical role in biodiversity conservation, habitat preservation, and environmental sustainability. Law Ordinance. The Law Ordinance of Bicol Natural Park Proclamation Number 431, Declaration of Bicol Natural Park as a Protected Area. Proclamation Number 431 issued on December 29, 2000 declare as a Bicol Natural Park as a protected area in accordance with the NIPAS Act of 1992. Threats. The Bicol Natural Park faces threats from illegal logging, firewood collection, charcoal production, and human encroachment. Possible solution to the threats. Department of Environment and Natural Resources for the Bicol region ordered the park's closure to human activities with a total log ban and anti-illegal logging task force set up as part of the government National Green Program. The program also aims to plant 1.5 billion trees from 2011 to 2016.